If VLC is not working on your Windows computer, whether it's crashing, freezing, not opening, or failing to play videos properly, this video is going to walk you through 4 simple fixes that can solve the problem fast. We'll start with the most common settings issues inside VLC itself, then move on to a reset, a video output change, and finally, checking for duplicate background processes that may be blocking VLC from opening correctly. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Let's get into it. First, open VLC Media Player on your Windows PC. Once VLC is open, look at the top menu and click Tools, then click Preferences. This opens the main settings area where we can adjust the playback behavior. In the Preferences window, make sure you select the Input/Codecs tab near the top. This tab controls how VLC handles decoding and playback. Now look for the setting called Hardware Accelerated Decoding. By default, it may be set to automatic, which can sometimes cause issues on certain Windows systems, especially if your graphics drivers are outdated or VLC is conflicting with your hardware. Click the drop-down and change it from automatic to disable. This forces VLC to use software decoding instead of your GPU for that part of the process. After that, click Save at the bottom, close VLC completely, and then reopen it. Try playing your video again and see if the issue is fixed. If VLC is still not working, the next thing to try is resetting the preferences. Sometimes a setting gets changed without you realizing it, and that can cause playback problems, startup issues, or strange behavior in the app. To do this, go back to Tools, then Preferences again. At the very bottom left of the window, you'll see a Reset Preferences button. Click that button, then confirm by clicking OK when prompted. Once that's done, make sure you completely close VLC. Don't just minimize it. Actually exit the app fully, then reopen VLC so it starts fresh with default settings. If the problem continues, the next fix is to change the video output module. This is especially useful if VLC opens but doesn't display video correctly, shows a black screen, or has rendering issues. Open Tools, go to Preferences, and then click the Video tab. In this section, find the Output drop-down menu. If it's set to automatic, change it to Direct Draw, Video Output, or Windows GDI Video Output. These options can work better on some Windows systems depending on your graphics setup and driver compatibility. After changing the setting, click Save, Close VLC, and restart it again. Now, if VLC still seems stuck, won't launch, or keeps running in the background, there may be duplicate VLC processes preventing it from starting normally. This happens more often than people think. To check this, press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC together to open Task Manager. In Task Manager, stay on the Processes tab and scroll through the list to look for any VLC Media Player tasks that are still active. If you see more than one instance, or if VLC appears to be running even though the window is closed, right-click the process and choose End Task. Do that for any VLC-related background processes you find. Once those are closed, try opening VLC normally again. At this point, one of these 4 fixes should usually solve the issue. The key thing is to work through them one at a time. Start with hardware acceleration, then reset preferences, then change the video output, and finally check for stuck background processes. These steps cover the most common reasons VLC stops working on Windows, and they're all safe to try without reinstalling the program right away. If this video helped you fix VLC, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment letting me know which step worked for you. That helps the channel a lot, and it also helps other viewers with the same problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.